What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and we're talking Lunar Classic. As always, everyone thinks the sky is falling. We're going to talk a little bit about the price, what's happened over the last couple of days, and some interesting and big news out of Binance. So if you are holding Lunar Classic on Binance, you are going to want to watch this video. But first, do me a favor, hit that like button. We killed 1,000 likes on my last video. Can't believe it. Thank you so much for the support. But the more likes we get, the more people see this information. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We talk about Lunar Classic as well as all the other things going on in crypto right now. But with that being said, let's dive into this video because we've got some pretty interesting things to talk about. Now, look, the price 24665. Now we are seeing the market start to move. Equally though, we are seeing a lot of red, and I think people started to panic. We saw a significant sell-off from one of a big whale in the Lunar Classic ecosystem, and bear in mind, some of these people will have bought in at the bottom, so people are going to take out their exit position from Lunar Classic. But what we do see is it generally gets bought back up. Now, again, looking at volume, 2 trillion Lunar Classic tokens traded on volume right now. And like I say, we are seeing this nice little pump right now. We're on the 1 hour chart. We can move in a little bit nearer on the 5 minute, and we can start to see that we are seeing some nice movement. Now, a lot of people, again, are, kind of speculating, are watching this, are very eager to see what Lunar Classic does. But I must stress, it isn't going to go to $1 tomorrow. So you've got to have your position in which you're trading, your strategy in which you're doing, and equally understand the fundamentals that are coming with the Lunar Classic. And if you understand all that, then you make the trade or you make the hold that you think is the right thing. But 246 is the current price. We have seen an insane gain. Again, you zoom out in terms of where we've been and just look at this price movement. We saw lots of money flowing into Lunar Classic. RSI was significantly overbought, so we were always set for a pullback, and here is the nice pullback. So for me, when I look at this chart, I'm comfortable that we're going to consolidate sideways for a little bit. Now, bear in mind, we are stepping towards the implementation of the burn tax. Now, do we see that going live, particularly the 1.2% burn straight away? Maybe not. The coding lands with a 0% burn, the community vote on it, and we know that we've got that vote going on right now of whether we burn everything if it interacts with the Lunar Classic blockchain. Insane. I will leave a link in the description to that video, so definitely go and check it out. But what is going on with Binance? Well, Binance announces LUNC, USTC deposit and withdrawal changes. So say the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, on Friday said the deposits and withdrawal of Terra Luna Classic and Terra Luna USD will be suspended from September the 7th at midnight USTC due to the closure of the shuttle bridge. However, users can continue to deposit and withdraw LUNC and USTC tokens through the Terra Classic network. Okay, so you might be panicking straight away thinking, hold on, what's going on? Binance are kind of removing it. It is on the ERC network and the BNB network. So be mindful of that. If you're holding your Lunar Classic tokens that ultimately are just based upon the Lunar Classic blockchain, then you're okay. But it says here, Binance, in official announcement on September 2nd, revealed the deposits and withdrawal for Lunar Classic via the Ethereum network and Terra Classic USD via the BNB Smart Chain Ethereum network, Polygon network, will be available until September the 7th. And after that, it will stop. So if you have got tokens that are on there through those networks, then you need to be very mindful. Come and check this article out, understand exactly what you've got to do. But if you just have normal Lunar Classic tokens and you are spot trading or you are holding in your spot wallet, then you are fine. It says, however, the shuttle bridge closure will impact deposits and withdrawals through other networks, but users can still deposit and withdraw their LUNC and UST tokens through the Terra Classic network. Binance recommends avoiding Terra Classic and USTC deposits and withdrawals near the deadline. Deposits and withdrawals maybe after the deadline will not be credited. Moreover, spot and margin trading for LUNC and USTC, including Binance earned services, will continue to run smoothly. Binance will handle all technical requirements for users facing problems related to the token transfers through the shuttle bridge during the period. So again, that's where you're buying them on another network and it's using the Binance exchange to buy them. Again, if you just hold normal Lunar Classic that you've bought through that has that Lunar Classic logo, then you've got nothing to worry about. It's if you bought them through other bits. And again, just go to Binance. It's all over there. You can check it out and you can make sure that you're not going to lose anything. So do your own research, make sure you make the right decision. But again, I thought this was definitely worthwhile for you guys to see what's going on. If we take a look on CoinMarketCap, we can see currently Terra Luna Classic up 80% on the week. Again, this pullback, but look at the volume, guys. $1.1 billion. Market cap $1.6 billion. Ranked 208th biggest cryptocurrency right now. Circulating supply 6.585 trillion. So still lots of room to grow. And again, we've got to remember we've only really started to see the potential of Luna Classic happen over the course of the last sort of week. Imagine what this is going to do when we really start to get the coding implemented, and equally people start to completely trust and validate and understand what's coming with Terra Luna Classic. I still think there is a long way to go with this project. I'm still very bullish. I haven't sold a single token, but I will be absolutely transparent and say, as this goes up, it would only be sensible to take your profits. I think that's responsible investing and absolutely deserved if you've been in this project for a long time. So that's what I've got. Some news out of Binance, and equally, don't panic about the price. Again, nothing's financial advice, but just be clued up in what's going on. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, send this like button to the moon. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video as well, and I will catch you guys in the next video.